July 20th, 2023. Storm's rolling in. Oh, as you can hear the dogs, I have them in the house. Because we're just starting to hear the beginnings of the thunder, but the lightning's been for a while. It's everywhere. Gracie. Oh, got a lightning bug. And there you hear Keith snoring. Wow, that was nice. Baby. Oh, you was snoring. Oh, I should. Yeah, I was getting ready to say I shouldn't have put the bottom light on yet. I'll have to turn it off. Trying to get the angles, but it's everywhere. But it almost seems like it's stalled. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. It literally feels like it's stalled, which is weird. Oh. You, it's so much bright, and I know everybody's gonna say it's that much brighter because it's over by Trinity Square, and it's the lights bouncing off of the clouds. Okay, whatever. What the hell is that big ass wall cloud? It's rolling in. That's my porch. Yeah, and there he is. Snoring again. But yeah, there's that. Oh, another lightning bug. Oh, more lightning. See? Oh. And that went all the way across the sky. I just couldn't catch it. Car. will actually thank my eye doctor for me to get the bifocals. Because now that I'm adjusted and actually doing a video where I can see what I'm doing and not like shaking everywhere because I couldn't see them like with my other glasses. Car. So I actually feel like I have all my senses back. Truly. Yeah. Not so much in my left ear, but I can still hear. No matter what. That's speaking on a different language level. Those with ears to hear know exactly what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm too old for stupid games. You think you don't play games, you're gonna lose and win a stupid prize. Amazing. Mm. So I don't know, we had a couple of raindrops. Hard. They say we could have possibility of hail. This has been coming in for a while, and I haven't looked at radar, because I should have been up on hill tonight. And I never even have taken video that even reference that as that. I know Seven Spalding, Anthony Spalding, he has the hill down there in Cincinnati, West Virginia, and he picks up the most amazing spots, showing everything. Oh, here comes weather shift. Yeah, as my husband's sleeping on the porch. If this was actually closed and be locked, yeah, we'd be sleeping here. See, now I think I gotta shift because everything's coming in from a different direction. We're gonna settle here for a minute because all the blue is coming from there. There we go. No, it's still oh, I just hit rain. Yep, raindrop. Oh, it was cold. Okay, so it's, yeah. Babe, because it's really dark back there. And it seems to come, like, it's like it's coming, ew, jeez. Babe, it's coming in from the south. Yeah, get your butt up and get your slippers on because it's coming in from the south. We gotta go in the house. Here it comes. Here it comes.
I can't get mama when it's under my chair.
Jesus.